Cześć, tutaj Karol z Bellyflop TV, or in English it's hello, it's Carol here from Bellyflop TV. Today I'd like to talk to you about using a teleprompter, which I'm doing right now, and its advantages for those of us who are bilingual. A teleprompter is a device that goes in front of the camera that shows a scrolling script which can be read whilst filming. It's very similar to using cue cards but reduces eye movement. Just think of how they read the news. Using a prompter is a big advantage when filming with subjects who are either a bit nervous or whose first language is in English. My native language is Polish, and after almost 20 years of learning and speaking English, I still make the odd mistake. A few advantages of using the teleprompter are: you don't have to remember your speech by heart, which is crucial for films with technical and scientific language. It allows you to stick to the script, which is important for many customers, as information won't be omitted. What needs to be said is in the script. But most importantly, using a teleprompter allows you to relax and forget that you're being filmed, as it's just you reading the words from the monitor. It makes the whole experience much more enjoyable and comfortable, just like it is for me right now. If you think using a teleprompter will be handy for you and your film, simply book a date by calling 0161 477 5621. If you'd like to see examples of films we've made using a teleprompter, we can send you a few examples too. So bye bye, or as we say in Polish, pa pa!